Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So as you can see, I have few packages here to show you guys, and these are from AliExpress, and yeah, they took about 3 weeks to arrive here, which is really good. And I'm really excited to show you guys what I got, and there are some very interesting things which I really wanted to try for a while. And most of the things I got were on sale, like they sometimes get sales here and there, so I got for really good price, and also I've used some coins. They're very reasonable anyways. And also I'll link everything in the description box below about the items I got, so you can go and check it out, and if you're interested you can buy. So let's see what's inside these packages. So first thing I got are these polygel forms, or you can also use as builder forms, and they came in these like acrylic containers. So let me open it. So these are the forms I got. So the first one is, so these are like just the tips to extend, like if you want to extend the nail, so you just put it over here and you just extend it and build the product on top. It's a great way to extend the nail. So this is what I got. They have like a lot of sizes here. I might have to write down here the sizing, but the smallest one is 10 and the largest one is 1. So 1 to 10. So I'm just gonna write it down here so that's more convenient to see. And the next one are these full forms, and I wanted to get these for a while, so that's how they look. And then you can just put the product in and apply on the nail just like that and extend the nail. And you can create gelato or you can create almond. And even this one is, the size starts with 0 and ends with the size 11. So you just have to write down here the sizing for convenience. The next item I got are these clips. I don't know what they're called, but they're mostly for when you apply the polygel or something. You just place it here so that you can clean underneath and just put it in the lamp. And since this one is clear, it will cure all the way. And many people use this to apply polygel, so I'm like, yeah, let's give it a try, and it will make your life easier if you're doing it on yourself and even on your clients. And it's not very sharp or anything. You just have to put it like that on the nail and just flip the hand, blend in the polygel with your natural nail, and yeah, it will be mess free and it will cure all through since this one is clear. The next one I got is the bottle holder. It holds any bottle. So right now I'm gonna show you, this is just my stamping polish, so I'll just put it over here. You can even bend in like that and just open the bottle like that and just paint the nails. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So yeah, I really like it actually. It just sits on my table really well. So that's how it looks from the back. These are the clips I got. It's for the pinching, like if you applied a product and if you want to pinch it like that. But these are really great quality if you're looking for pinching, and they're clear, so they will cure the product all the way, because you have to flash cure and then you pinch and then you full cure. So yeah, that's why I got the clear, so that you know they cure the product really well. Okay, so the next item I got are these brushes. First of all, look at the colors, they're so pretty. And here is rose gold, really pretty one. These are striper brushes and I'm really impressed with the quality, and I've already used these brushes, guys. So that's how they came with, like yeah, you have a little plastic cover here so it protects them. And yeah, they're just a long striper brush. They have different sizes. So these are the sizes, the smaller one and the medium and the really long one. So the next item I got are these Wilson drill bits, and this one is medium, and this is a carbide bit, and this is for the product removal I've got, and they're really great quality and they have really great reviews for these. And this is a safety bit, where so as you can see there's a ball here for the safety. If you wanna remove the product, it won't hurt. But yeah, this is only for the product removal, not for the natural nails. If you do it on natural nails, it will damage it. So next I got these flowers from the same store, and they're really pretty one. This one is like more bigger flowers and has like all different colors. Really like it. This one is like assorted kind of, so you have they have made like one bunch. So you can even do mix and match, doesn't matter. But yeah, they are really pretty. Really like it. And there's another. I had this before, but I needed another one. So yeah, now they one more, and they look really good when you do milk bath nails. And they were on like sale, so I've got really good price for these. So yeah, do check out the link below, guys, and see if you wanna buy these. They're really great. Next item I got are these butterflies, and they have like white and mermaid and all different colors of butterflies. They look really great, such a pretty and shiny. So these one are those kind of mermaid stickers, and they're almost like hollow stickers, but yeah, they look really great. Like if you do matte nails or just on accent nails, it looks really good. Even like if you do milk bath nails with these, oh, it looks amazing. Can't wait to use these for my next nail art. And yeah, they have moon, and I see some Mickey Mouse in there, and some different stars, hearts, butterflies. Yeah, really pretty one. Just love these. So next item I got is this drill bit holder, which holds different size of drill bits, and that's how it looks. That's the cap, so that it doesn't get dusty or anything. And yeah, these are a lot of holes here. So let me put my Wilson drill bit that I got. So just put it over here, and so they have different sizes, so it doesn't matter where you put. Even over here you can put, and that's how they look. And just put the lid on top. So if you have bits that are really long, I would say put on the third tier and not the top one, so it will then you can see the space. You have enough space to cover it. So yeah, I really like it actually. And the pink, so I love pinks. So yeah, that's all for the AliExpress haul, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. And do check out the link in the description box if you're interested to buy any of these items. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.